Hey guys, I'm showing you this travel bag. It's a crossbody shoulder bag for travel. Can be used by both men and women. It's have a multi-pocket adjustable shoulder strap. So let me just open. The first impression is this fabric bag on the top, and then this fabric is Oxford fabric with the adjustable strap and the reflector on the back. It have adjustable strap so you can adjust it the way you want, and this one is the Oxford material, so it's really a nice fabric. The metal zipper, so that's easy with the strong buckles. So it's a front pocket, zippered front pocket with a large capacity main bag. So you have a really storage stuff. You can store all your passports, credit card, mobile, glasses, or anything you want. So the other thing also is like you can put it or use it in a very different way. So you can have in the back or the left shoulder, right shoulder. You can put it in a different side, like wherever you're comfortable. It's a very nice small bag.